Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'm in the Doug and Nikki testing studio with my buddy Willow. We are here with a cool storage box. This is from Hyaxa. They call this a light luxury storage box. So now this should be a totally foldable storage box, which I haven't opened it. I haven't seen it yet. I do need to tell you they provided this for me to do the review, but no instructions. So I can open it up, play with it, give it an honest score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of it. I think there's only one thing left to do. Let's take it out, see if it's as easy to assemble as it says, and see how luxurious it is. All right, let's check this out. I gotta say the color's cool. It said it was titanium colored on the box, and I was like, nah, it's not gonna be titanium colored. But this is kind of like a really cool gray, kind of like a titanium. What do you think, Willow? Willow's like, I'm 17 years old, I just want to go to sleep, and you're annoying me with this. So here's the box. Let's try doing this without reading instructions. Look at that. Okay. Oh, these look like they snap in place. Yes. Okay. Not quite yet. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. I can't tell you how many boxes I've gone through because Nikki loves storage boxes and things, and I've never seen something that was this easy to assemble, and it seems like such a nice high quality, like the plastic is like a nice plastic. It's kind of like rubberized, but still firm. You can see clearly, you can stack it. Let's see how the doors work before I get too crazy. They got nice little hinges. This thing is sweet. Look at that, the doors lock. Okay, I'm blown away. This thing is awesome. This is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I love it. I hope that was helpful. If it was, down below, we really appreciate that. And I will see you next time.